Hello friends, myself Professor B.D. Bhokner, Associate Professor, Botany Department, KTHM College, Nasik. Today's subject is Cryptogamic Botany, paper first. Within that, economic importance of now bryophytes. Economic importance of bryophyte. The bryophytes include the liverworts such as Hepataceae, the hornworts known as Anthocerataceae, and the mosses known as Massae. All these three groups comprises about 2000, 24,000 now species. Within that, direct use of now bryophyte. Now sphagnum and now the peat, the pieces of dead vegetable matter partially decomposed by water in the bog and gradually compressed and carbonized under pressure of overlapping now the lead deposits and water is called now the peat. It is a brown or dark color spongy substance. Sphagnum and other mosses are the chief constituents of now the peat. For this reason, this moss is often called now the peat moss. Now the uses of now the peat. Peat it is used as a fuel in northern now Europe, especially the Netherlands. Peat fuel is still used on a now commercial now scale. Preparation of ethyl alcohol. Now the scientists Odell and Hood in 1926 reported that by chemical treatment cellulose in peat is broken down into sugar which through fermentation is converted into alcohol. Next, nitrates, brown dye and tanning material have been now obtained from peat. The Germans evolved method of obtain ammonium sulfate as a byproduct in the production of now gas from the peat. The other products of industrial use of now the peats are peat tar, ammonia and now paraffin. Davis reported that peat has been manufactured now into paper, woven fabrics and artificial now the wood. Next point now the use in horticulture. Sphagnum and peat are also great use in horticulture. Peat added into poor soil, it increases water holding capacity of soil. Sphagnum is also used as a packing material for grafting scions to protect them against during influence of now surrounding air. Sphagnum is used for seed germination to start now cuttings and to grow other plants and propagate now the number of orchids. Dried sphagnum and moss peat have ability to hold water. It is used as a packing material for shipment of live plants, cut flowers, vegetable, bulb, tubers. It protect the plants from now heat and cold. Peat moss as a suitable material for use in surgical dressing because of its great absorbent power and slight antiseptic now the property. Medicinal use of now bryophytes. For example, Mercantia polymorpha has been used to cure pulmonary tuberculosis and liver troubles according to Mason 1945. According to Hartwell, 1971 reported that extracts of Mercantia polymorpha, Mercantia stellata, and Polydracum communi have anti-tumor properties. Then Polydracum communi is also useful to dissolve stones in kidney and now the gallbladders. The dried sphagnum is boiled in water and decoction is used to control acute hemorrhage and to cure number of eye diseases. Then the has peat tar has antiseptic property. Then the sphagnol, which is obtained from peat tar, is effective against now the skin diseases. This then antibiotic activity of Bryophyta. According to Hayes, 1947, reported that aqueous extract of Conocephalum conicum is antibiotically active. The two species of sphagnum inhibited the growth of Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas. Then Ramawat in 1959 observed that the extracts of species of sphagnum inhibited the growth of Sarcina lutea. Then McNauclery and Walkington in 1966 reported that now 50 species of mosses have antibacterial activity. During the last decade, several unsaturated lipids, fatty acids, esters, flavonoids, triterpenoids, phenolics, and other chemical substances have been reported to present in the bryophyte. Use of bryophyte in experimental botany. It is used in research. The mechanism of sex determination in plants was discovered for the first time in a liverwort, that is in Spirocarpus. Then bryophyte as a source of food. Bryophytes are not directly used as a human food. Now Reed in 1946 listed now the peat moss as a famine food of China. Sphagnum is an ingredient in the preparation of now the bread. The capsule of bryum and polydracum constitute the chief diet of now chick. Then Alaskan reindeer grazes upon polydracum now the species. Bryophytes as a pollution indicator. Rubling and Taylor in 1979 showed that air-dried mosses can absorb number of metals. It is used as a pollution indicator and in mineralogical surveys. Then miscellaneous use of now the bryophyte. According to Parhams, 1947 reported that the Fijians employed a local moss as a stuffing material for pillows. Then Braille and now Molly in 1976 reported that birds employ fragments of gametophores of mosses and liverworts in the construction of their now the nest. Then indirect use of bryophyte as it aids in soil conservation. The mosses prevent seed erosion of soil. The underground rhizoid bind the soil particle together. A thick moss carpet is formed on the soil. Then the formation of soil and development of vegetation cover. The lichens and mosses plays an important role in soil formation. Lichens are the pioneers to colonize now the barren, bare, rocky surface where no other plants can grow. Lichens secrete organic acid which disintegrate the rocks. Mosses makes their appearance when sufficient amount of fertile soil is there. Bog succession. Mosses plays an important role in bog succession. From open water to climax forest, the mosses, especially the peat mosses, established on the banks of lakes. The thick moss mat, because of the moisture and humus, forms a suitable substratum for germination of seeds of various species of hydrophytic now the plants. Then role as a rock builder, certain mosses, for example bryum and hypnum, then Physidens and other mosses growing in association with other aquatic plants plays a remarkable role as a rock builders. These plants grow in shallow waters of lakes, streams and springs which contain large amount of calcium bicarbonate. The plants brings about decomposition of bicarbonic ions. This insoluble calcium carbonate precipitate and this insoluble mineral hardens forming calcareous, it means the lime rock like deposits around these plants. So in this way it plays an important role as a rock builder. Thank you, and that's all.